How to transfer crypto from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. So to transfer cryptocurrency from Bitget Exchange to your Bitget Wallet here, open the Bitget app or website, right? As you can see here. Now log in into your account, navigate to the asset section typically found in the bottom right corner of the app or in the main menu of the website. Now click on withdraw, you will see a list of cryptocurrency available for withdrawal. Right now, once you see this, choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, right? For example, here it is Ethereum and the second one is a BNB, right? Ensure that you only select coins available in your spot account. Select on-chain withdrawal for internal transfer depending upon your preference. On-chain withdrawal, this method allow you to transfer to any wallet address. And in internal transfer, this option is for transferring directly to another Bitget account, which is instant and free of transaction fees. So if you're using on-chain withdrawal, open your Bitget wallet tab on receive and select the corresponding cryptocurrency, copy your wallet address, or use the QR code to ensure accuracy. Return to Bitget Exchange, paste your wallet address in the withdrawal field, select the network, ensure it matches the one used in your wallet, and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review all the details carefully to avoid errors. Confirm the transaction by following any additional secure verification, and this step is required, such as two-factor authentication. And after confirmation, wait for transaction to process. They should see the funds reflect in your Bitget wallet shortly after completion. This is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful.